Hello students, welcome back. Let us continue our chapter number 5 of history, that is the foundation of the Swaraj. Dear students, in the previous lecture we learnt about the work of Shahaji Raje, and we also learnt the efforts which Veer Mata Jizabai took for the education of Sambhaji Maharaj. Dear students, now today we are going to learn about the Shivaji's companions and associates. Let us start. Shivaji Maharaj started the work of founding Swaraj was done by Shivaji Maharaj. The work of founding the Swaraj was done by Shivaji Maharaj in the Mawal region. It means Shivaji Maharaj started the work of founding the Swaraj in the Mawal region. This Mawal terrain is full of hills and valleys, and it is not easily accessible. Shivaji Raje made use of these geographical features of Mawal very skillfully for the purpose of the foundation of the Swaraj. He created a feeling of trust and affection in the minds of people. Dear students, the Shivaji Maharaj started the work of founding Swaraj in the Mawal region because the Mawal terrain, it is full of hills and valleys, and it is very easily accessible. So he made use of these geographical features of Mawal, which is very skillfully, and so he started the work of founding Swaraj in the Mawal region. Dear students, please keep in mind, you will be asked a question such as Shivaji Maharaj started his work of founding Swaraj in the Mawal region. Many companions and associates joined him in his work of founding Swaraj. Among them, they were Esaji Kank, Baji Pasalkar, Bapuji Mudgal, Narekar Deshpande, brothers. Narekar means here Deshpande brothers, Kavji Kandalkar, Jiva Mahala, Tanaji Malusare, Kanoji Jedhe, Baji Prabhu Deshpande, and Dadaji Naras Prabhu Deshpande. On the strength of these associates, Shivaji Maharaj undertook the cause of the Swaraj. Dear students, with the help of these are the companions and associates who joined Shivaji Maharaj in his work of foundation of Swaraj. Okay, dear students, let us learn about. Before it, always remember, we are going to learn about Bara Mawal, Pawan Mawal, Hirdas Mawal, Gunjan Mawal, Poud Valley, Mithi Valley, Mose Valley, Canard Valley, Velvan Valley, Royd Valley, Ander Mawel, Nance Mawel, Corbas Mawel. These are the 12 Mawels. Mawel Valley in the Sahyadris, it was a region in the Pune Jagir of Shivaji Maharaj. It is also known as Bara Mawel. Dear students, Mawel Valley, which is in the Sahyadri, it was a region in the Pune Jagir and it is also known as Bara Mawel. Now do this. Find more information about these associates of Shivaji Maharaj, Jiva Mahala, Tanaji Malusare and Baji Prabhu Deshpande. Now let us learn about Royal Seal, which is known as Rajmudra of Shivaji Maharaj. As you can see the image, this is the image of Royal Seal or Rajmudra. The objective of Shivaji Maharaj of establishing Swaraj is clearly expressed in his Royal Seal. Dear students, the following Sanskrit lines are inscribed on this Royal Seal. You can see the Sanskrit lines also inscribed on it. The lines are Pratipachandra Lekhevo Vardhishnu Vishwa Vandita Pratipachandra Lekhevo Vardhishnu Vishwa Vandita Shahasu Nashiva Shaisha Mudra Bhadraya Rajate Shahasu Nashiva Shaisha Mudra Bhadraya Rajate. Dear students, you can see the meaning of these lines. This seal will grow in splendor like the new moon, and this seal of Shivaji, the son of Shahaji, receiving homage from the whole world, denotes the welfare of the people. Dear students, homage means something that is said or done to show respect of somebody. Here this seal shows the respect of his father. Then, dear students, the meaning of this seal is, the meaning of these inscriptions on the seal is important from many angles. Through these inscriptions, Maharaj has expressed his gratitude towards his father, his confidence that Swaraj would expand continuously, his own experience of the respect that the seal, that is Swaraj, commanded from all, his commitment to the welfare of his subjects, and the certainty of ruling over his land independently. This short inscription covers the entire concept of Swaraj. Let us learn. Observe the official seal of our country. What features do you observe? In which places is the official seal used? Now let us learn the further point, that is towards the establishment of Swaraj. The forts situated within the Jagir of Shivaji Maharaj were not under his control, but were under the control of Adil Shah. The students, the forts in Shivaji Maharaj's Jagir were under the control of Adil Shah, and the one who controlled the fort controlled the surroundings areas. In those days, forts were special significance. With a firm hold over fort, It was possible to control the surrounding area. If one had forts, one ruled the land. Therefore, Shivaji Maharaj decided to acquire the forts in his Jagir and lay down the foundation of Swaraj. Dear students, Shivaji decided to own or to get the forts that were within his own Jagir, and such an attempt to capture the forts amounted to challenging the Adil Shahi power. The captured the forts of Torna, Murumdev, Kondana, and Purandar and laid the foundation of Swaraj. He repaired the fort Murumdev and renamed it Raigad. Dear students, as you can see here, the images of forts such as Murumdev, Torna, Kondana, and Purandar. Dear students, here he repaired the fort Murumdev and renamed it as Rajgarh, and Rajgarh was the first capital of the Swaraj. There were the Mores of Javli, the Ghorpades of Mudhol, the Sawants of Sawantwadi, and other Sardars in the Adil Shahi. They were opposed to the cause of the founding Swaraj. The students here, some of the persons such as the Mores of Javli, the Ghorpades of Mudhol, and the Sawants of Sawantwadi, and they were opposed to the founding of Swaraj, and it was necessary to bring such Adil Shahi Sardars under control. They were opposed to the cause of the founding Swaraj, and it was necessary to bring them and other like-minded Sardars under the control for the purpose of founding the Swaraj. Now let us learn how he captured the Javli, means the capture of Javli. Chandrarao More of Javli in Satara district was the powerful Sardar in Adil Shahi. Chandrarao More of Javli in Satara, he was a powerful Adil Shahi Sardar, and he opposed to the founding of the Swaraj. Shivaji Maharaj attacked Javli and captured that region in 1656 CE. He established his post there. Then he also captured Raigad. He attained a huge amount of wealth from Javli. After this victory, his activities in Konkan increased. He built the Pratapgarh fort in the Javli valley, and in this way the conquest of Javli increased in his strength in all respects. Dear students, here Chandrarao More, he was of Javli in Satara district. He was powerful Sardar in Adil Shahi, and he opposed the founding the Swaraj. But here the Shivaji Maharaj attacked the Javli and he captured that region in the year 1656 CE, and there he established his post. Then after that he captured Raigad, and he attained a huge amount of wealth from Javli. After this victory, his activities in Konkan it was increased, and there he built the Pratapgarh fort in Javli valley. After this, Shivaji Maharaj captured Kalyan and Bhivandi on the Konkan coast. There he came into contact with the Siddhi, Portuguese, and British power on the western coast. Shivaji Maharaj realized that In order to fight these powers, it was necessary to have a strong naval force. Therefore, he concentrated on building a navy. Dear students, on the western coast, Shivaji Maharaj came in contact with the Siddhi, Portuguese and British powers, and he realized that a strong naval force was required to fight these powers, and so he concentrated on building a navy. Dear students, remaining part of this chapter, that is defeat of Afzal Khan, we will learn in our next video. Dear students, I hope you understood this part. Read the lesson carefully and try to understand it. I put here assignment. It is very short. Write in the notebook. Dear students, complete your notebook. Assignment number, question number first, find the odd man out. And question number second, write about in your words. Thank you and have a nice day.